Welcome to the Indo-UK B2B Consortium. Indo-UK B2B is a one-stop portal that brings together buyers and sellers from the United Kingdom and India. You can register at the Indo-UK B2B Consortium for free. This lets you see the tenders and business requirements posted by buyers and sellers from across a wide range of industries. To view and apply for the tenders, all you have to do is complete a simple registration process. If you are a new user, sign up by filling the credentials such as your first name, last name, name of your company, your email address, and your phone number in the sign up form. And once you finish this, make sure to set a strong password. And don't forget to remember the password. And you're all ready to go after you accept to our terms and conditions. After registering, you can view all the current and open tenders in the Opportunities tab. You also have the option to apply filters to your search. You can search by typing the name or by selecting the industry. You have a list of industries to choose from, and by selecting one, you will be able to look at tenders from only that specific industry. As you can see now, I have selected the energy industry, and doing so, I will be able to look at only tenders from the energy industry. Once you decide to apply for a tender, the next step is to pay a yearly membership fee. The basic plan is suitable for members who wish to focus on one industry. The gold plan is suitable for firms operating in two different industries because it allows you to simultaneously focus on tenders from both the industries. Members with the platinum plan enjoy access to all the industries, and they also reap the benefit of applying to any number of tenders. To continue your membership after the first year, you only have to pay 15% of the membership fee. Once you have selected your plan, you will be led to your dashboard where you can find information about the tenders you've posted, about the tenders you've applied, and also about your payment invoices. You also have the option to edit your profile in the dashboard. Enter your business details, add your company logo, and you're all set to begin your new venture. Sign up with Indo-UK B2B Consortium today and unlock a whole new world of opportunity.